Got a nice arch. I'm gonna call this Art City.
Look at this mess. It's everywhere, isn't it? This is nice.
There they are. This is such a absolutely gorgeous area. And if I was any kind of animal, there's a little bird over there flopping towards the water. Look, he's just about to be in it. Look.
Oh, yeah.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
This over there. Then over there.
Wait a minute. There's 3 of them. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh my God, it is. Kathy, that's a print.
And then one's over there. And then one's over there.
Okay, you can't cast them, but what about over
You
here?
can measure.
How about right here in the drive?
Oh my gosh, my EVP just came on all by itself. Listen, but listen to my backpack. Listen to my backpack. Something just came on. And I'm standing here.
She got print, 3 of them. It's definitely a print.
Boom, boom. So the stride is like there, to there, to there. And something came on my backpack. Listen, hear it?
There's 3 prints. I mean, they're good.
Might be one over that way.
That one's real
It
good.
might be over that way.
And then boom, boom, boom.